Howdy, paper engineers. Now, if you were in the show today, you noticed that I was putting these rings on here. All right, those are the escape pods for the tantus and for the Hammerhead Corvettes. I think all the Corvettes have these. And so anyway, I got those put on there and measured. Now these are going to go on here just like this. Now what I have to do is I have to continue to build on this. This is not anywhere near done. And I'll show you what it is. I used a 1/2-inch dowel. I took this paper here, which is just junk mail, and I cut up 1/2-inch pieces and I wrapped them around like this. All right, that's what you have to do. Now once you get this part done, then you have to split these. Let's see one that maybe you can see it. No, that didn't show. This one does. Okay, no, that one didn't do either. Here we go. See here, this is split at an angle like this, okay? Because when you put it together, what it does is the bottom of this is bloused out or flared out, because the escape pods have to be shaped kind of, let's see here, they have to be shaped like this. Doggone it. Anyway, they go up towards here. They're shaped, not round, okay? I like to make them look like the originals. So anyway, what I'm doing now is I'm going around them like this. Okay, you can see in there, and you can see in there. Now, this edge, once this is dry, this will all be cut off of there, and then I can start sanding it down. Now, I may have to get these shaped properly, I'm probably going to have to do this like 2 or 3 times. See, because that's not right, and I don't know what the heck happened there. But anyway, because of the way these things are shaped, you have to cut them and fit these together like this. All right, then you put an end on. This is what I got right here. It was just a regular old piece of chipboard, cut and fit right there. Now, once I get these done like this, then I cut these pieces off. Then I'm going to go ahead and put another one of these pieces of chipboard glued right onto the top of everything and then sand it down. Because what you want to do is you want to keep these going rounder and rounder. You want to take all the strange edges off so that they look like they're factory made. Anyway, it takes a little while to get good at making factory made stuff. So anyway, and I probably should show you this, you guys. Greebles. These are Greebles. All right, I raided the toy show and I bought a bunch of old broken model kits. Well, these are the chrome pieces off the model kits. And the cool thing about that is, once they're painted, you'll never know. So, putting Greebles on, it's important. Putting accurate pieces on, it's important. But the cool thing is, they don't have to be perfect. The reason they don't have to be perfect is because unless they have a picture of this, or whatever it is that you're making, they're not going to know. So, just a little blip to help you guys out. Thank you very much. Salute, Paper Army. I'll be back Monday through Friday, 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Take care.